I idled it down just a little bit. A little bit of a leak out of the tailpipe connection there. Sounds good. Has a nice Model A sound out of the exhaust. Not bad, I guess. It originally had been setting for 45 years, 1976 or 7, till 7 years ago, in really bad storage. But yeah, I've got the carpet out of it in the front, everything for the battery. But my dad did this painting on the molding many years ago. Doesn't have the headliner, but it's got a light up here that works, that I put in, and redid the bottom of the seats. The back seat was original from back in the 70s. Put a blanket on the back and kind of a halfway temporary fix to the top. It had a big hole in the top. Got the wheels redone, they're nice. And there's my hood prop that I made. It also has the brake adjustment slots on it for the brake pedal. So it comes apart into two pieces. It's stored inside the pocket of the door panel. But anyway, simple, relatively simple to make. I have a drawing of it that I posted a few years back. Anyway, so there we go.